Tie-in, explained, making connections in English. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into a commonly used phrase in the English language, tie-in. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it in various contexts. So let's get started. Tie-in is a noun that primarily means a connection or link between things, especially when we're talking about products, promotions, or ideas. Imagine tying two things together. That connection you create is the essence of a tie-in. For example, if a new movie is released, and a toy company starts selling toys that are based on the movie's characters, those toys can be considered a tie-in to the movie. Let's see how tie-in can be used in different sentences. 1. The book has a tie-in with the upcoming movie. This means the book is related or connected to the movie in some way. 2. There's a special tie-in offer where you get a free mug with every book purchased. Here, the offer of a free mug is linked to the purchase of a book. 3. The TV series has several tie-ins to the original comic book. This suggests that the TV series has multiple connections or references to the original comic. It's also essential to know some common errors people make when using tie-in. 1. Not a verb. Remember, tie-in is mainly used as a noun. It's not commonly used as a verb like tie. 2. Context matters. Only use tie-in when there's a clear connection or link between two things. For example, you wouldn't say, "I like to tie in my shoes." Instead, you'd simply say, "I like to tie my shoes." And there we have it. Tie-in is all about making connections, whether it's between products, ideas, or promotions. We hope this explanation has clarified the meaning and use of this phrase for you. Remember, the beauty of learning a language lies in understanding the nuances of each word and phrase. Happy learning, and we'll see you in the next video.